Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems that you have on Twitter app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app, settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this list of app on for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. Then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.